in the center of town. Let's go to an art gallery. This is the Harmony Cultural Center, which is a space for both art and also musical performances. And I have had photographs over the last, I'd say, 3 or 4 years in 2 shows. This is the 3rd show I'm participating in. I'll just quickly show some of the artwork of other people. Here is a painting that I really like a lot. I like it because there is not the exclusion of others, but I like it because there's a story here, and because of the colors. You'll see it in a moment, I'll reveal it in a second. The colors they're subtle to some degree. There's a certain quality of light here, and then there's an element of, we'll say, the ironic. So I think we're going to take a look now at this point. Here's a fellow who's playing some sort of game. One of the brightest elements of the painting is over here. Another element that I just noticed as I was studying the painting is this. It's a detail, and the shoe takes on, because of the perspective, some sort of, I don't know, it's larger. I'm not sure how to describe it. But the whole painting is at an angle. So there's a level of uneasiness. This is not some sort of peaceful scene with even composition or even lines. Obviously there are lines here that are even, but everything is at an angle. It's quite interesting. I like that. I'm glad I encountered this. Okay, we're ready now to go and to see my photographs. They're right across, opposite. These 2 photographs here that I took are of the same subject. This is a chair. And the chair was outside, right outside of a store, actually a number of stores, but outside specifically of the store where I was headed to, which is not a store as much as a barbershop. And I did not have an appointment, so I had to wait outside patiently, and I saw the chair, and I was interested in the form of the chair, and also the rungs in the back. Now these photographs, both of them, are taken with my smartphone, and they are square. You can see that they're square. And they are part of a project that I have worked on, not now actively, but I worked on for about 2 years during the time of Corona, square photographs of Jerusalem taken with my smartphone. And that will be hopefully a book project, a kid's book with interspersed with various photographic exercises. But back to the subject here. So these pictures were adjusted, manipulated on the phone with an application. This here, there's reflectance, but this was heavily saturated. And the other image that I took from above, an above perspective, was turned into a monochromatic photograph, black and white. So they're hanging here. The size of the images are basically 12 by 12. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and show a few detail shots. In other words, not the entire picture. I'm just going to move in a little bit on some of the details within the photographs.